Asya Bayrak, which gains attention with its quality products in the international arena, is steadily becoming a leader of its sector. With its innovative and professional team, Asya Bayrak, which operates in the building that has 1,500 square meters covered area in Istanbul since 2012. Produces variety of new trend flags, such as banners and posters in asked size. Equipped with the latest technology in flag printing, Asya Bayrak, which makes the flags designed by a professional team, make a point of applying sublimation printing in indoor products and digital printing technique in outdoor products, with a daily printing capacity of 3,000 square meters. Asya Bayrak, which has the latest printing and technological machinery used in the flag today, continues to serve its customers with confidence with its 10 years of experience. Prioritizing the customer satisfaction, Asya Bayrak analyzes the demands of its customers correctly and prepares the orders received in a way that will last for a long time, according to seasonal conditions. Asya Bayrak, which prefers fabrics dyed with dyes chosen in a way that is suitable for environmental conditions and giving importance to human health, also draws attention with its cutting and sewing quality, and undergoes ironing and packaging processes with special ironing machines. Asya Bayrak, which provides a perfect service understanding to its customers, becomes your indispensable business partner with the quality it offers to you. As Asya Bayrak, we attach importance to creating areas where our employees can have fun while protecting their economic, professional, administrative, social rights, and interests. Providing service at European standards, Asya Bayrak is taking firm steps forward to become the indispensable business partner of its customers with long-lasting flags and flagstaffs, without compromising on quality in its modern facility. The products Asya Bayrak produces are Turkish flag, ancestor and leader poster, state flags, Poles flags, table flags, office flags, school pennants, decoration, opening and organization flags, sailing flags. It continues to sell to 81 provinces of Turkey and 36 countries internationally with its wide machinery park. Your business partner in flag, Asya Bayrak.